And we were like accessible. So we worked super hard, Manhattan Project, and we took 100,000 gigabytes of images, 2 billion, and created a 2 gigabyte file that can generate anything. It was 100 terabytes,
yes,
100,000 gigabytes, and the output was a 2 gigabyte file that can create anything.
And that 2 gigabytes is, sits on your phone, your laptop, in your brain.
So intelligence is compression, right? That's what we do, and that's what these machines do now. 4 of the top 10 App Store apps in December were based on Stable Diffusion. Or it's an artist, the analyst, and things like that. So,
what is it?
A lot of us were doing Web3, and we were all like developers.
So on the bottom here is the years, and on the y-axis here is the number of GitHub developers.
GitHub stars, yeah, developers who love it.
And so when you sent me that, I thought that was the axis line.
Yeah. So cumulatively, the whole ecosystem built around this thing, which is a bit like a game engine, has overtaken Linux. Again, Linux 20 years, this 5 months. Because we gave it to everyone, and it runs on your MacBook, on your iPhone, without internet. So you have this amazing thing that can create anything.